Hello guys again. Uh, just a bit of a quick update I suppose. I'm just fitting a amplifier to this. Instead of it running off of the amplifier directly straight to the speaker, I'm actually adding a proper amplifier, but it's from a car. This is the one that I've added. It's a Fusion 300 watt. I managed to just grab this for like 25 quid. From some backstreet flipping shop, which wasn't really great, but yeah, I had to take that to bits and do a few bit of messing around and that get that sorted out. But yeah, that turned out okay. I had a little few issues with it because I tried to run it from a normal laptop power supply, and it didn't work. It kept going into what was it? What does that say? PRT. I forgot what it means. But anyway, the red light was flashing and it kept switching it off. It's protection, and I couldn't seem to figure out why. So I did a little bit of research and I figured it had to have around about it was 12 volts DC, and it had to have around about 20 amps of current. So I went on eBay and I've bought a little power supply, which is kind of wired in there. There it is in there, look. It's not very big, but it supplies 12 volts DC at 20 amps, which is great, and it cost 25 quid that. And it's wired in straight into here, and then I've just got to solder that on there. But yeah, you can just see the power connector just there. It's been wired in, and that's the output to the speaker, which is also connected. This is the power connector for this filter. This is what I'm going to be using. This is my crossover. My dad gave me this. Not quite sure how old it is, but it does the job, and it does it pretty well. It's a Pine. It's upside down. Pine CX7. I've got it set. All the frequencies set. Well, the low pass filter set quite low. It's set to its lowest setting, which is on here 50 hertz, but the output on there is 40 hertz. On the low pass, I'll just switch that to there. So yeah, I'm just kind of screwing this in now. I've drilled some holes in there. That's just gonna go here like this, and then that will be the actual unit fully complete. So yeah, can't wait to get it finished. It'll sound exactly the same as it did before, but this time only the low frequencies will come in, so I can actually have some sound in the background rather than this just flapping away. So yeah, I'm gonna get that sorted and then I'll give it a short test upstairs, give it a quick short test just to see how it goes. Oh, I've also added this. This was from a Apple Mac, an old Apple Mac, which I only bought for 20 quid, because I thought I could use it and I couldn't because it was actually knackered. So I got the plug. This I thought this was a really good idea because I didn't want the cables being tugged and such. So I just added this from the back of the MacBook, because I was going to strip and take it to bits anyway, but I got this from the back of it, and it's actually got an EMI, an electromagnetic induction coil filter thing, which is of really no help, to be honest, but I thought it was quite a cool novelty add-on thing, and it goes pretty well. I can just plug this plug straight in and then switch it on, and then as and when I can just disconnect it and just shove my cable in there, and that's it. It's out of the way, everything's cool. So yeah, I thought that was a nice little nifty addition. and it's a good addition as well, because obviously you're carrying mains voltage in there, so it's not exactly something you want to be tugging and playing at, because if it does happen to catch, obviously it's a bit of a bang. So yeah, I thought that was a pretty cool idea. Other than that, there's no real changes, so I'm just gonna screw these bits on and get some testing done. So I will catch you guys later.